guys? Juve from Tracy Motorsports here. I want to show you guys this product I just got called Muc-Off. We're going to give this a try. I haven't used this before. This is going to be the first initial review I do on this product. Supposedly this is a fast action cleaner for your bike. You spray it on and it automatically, as soon as you spray it, it foams as it comes out of the bottle, which is something I always struggle with because I'm always using a bucket, putting soap in there, letting it bubble up and getting the foam, onto the bike. So there's 3 steps to this. They want you to water your bike, then they want you to spray on the Muc-Off, leave it there for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse it off. If there's any parts that are really hard to get off, they want you to go through it with a brush. So let's give it a try. Alright guys, so I just did a rinse on the bike, the first step. Now, let's give this a try. It's supposed to foam right out of the bottle. Oh, there you go. See, this is really, really neat. So I just used a brush right now to kind of clean the harder spots, where more of the bugs are at and the oil, the lower fairings, right under the front of the bike, so there was a lot of dead bugs stuck on there and stuff. So I did like just a light brush, just because when I was using the brush, everything was just coming off so easily. So I didn't think it was necessary to really give it a deep brush. That was really nice. It was a really nice feeling that, I just it almost just kind of wiped off. So now we're going to go to the next step and we're going to rinse it off. This bike was just rinsed off. Super clean. Honestly, that's the fastest wash I've ever done. 20 of my bikes. And it was super, super easy. If I wasn't recording, it'd probably only take me about 5 minutes to get this done. See under where all the bugs get stuck. Super clean. I really noticed, especially down here, where there was kind of like some oil, just grease. Cleaned it up really nice. Cool guys. Well, I totally recommend this product, Muc-Off. Super cool. Like I said, I've never washed the bike faster than today. So I totally recommend it. It's really easy to use. And it really, really works. Check them out. Try this out. And let me know what you think.